Welcome to our next lesson, Shashti Vibhakti, possessive case, sixth case in English. The equivalent prepositions used for Shashti Vibhakti of, apostrophe-s and among. Three prepositions are used in English. Let us learn some words to decline in Shashti Vibhakti. Here we are going to give you the practice of words ending with akara and akara, means the words ending with a and a. Deshasya, deshayoho, deshanam. Deshasya, of a country, countries. Deshayoho, of two countries, among two countries. Deshanam, of many countries, among many countries. Many countries, we can use apostrophe-s here also. Nripasya, nripayoho, nripanam. Nripasya, of a king, kings. Nripayoho, of a king, two kings, among two kings. Nripanam, of many kings, among many kings. Balasya, of a boy, boys. Balayoho, of two boys, among two boys. Balanam, of many boys, among many boys. Gajasya, gajayoho, gajanam. Gajasya, of an elephant, elephants. Gajayoho, of two elephants, among two elephants. Gajanam, of many elephants, among many elephants. These four are masculine words ending with a. Now we are going to see three more words ending with a, and they are feminine words. Shakhayaha, shakhayoho, shakhanam. Shakhayaha, of a branch. Shakhayoho, of two branches, among two branches. Shakhanam, of branches, among branches. Balayaha, balayoho, balanam. Balayaha, of a girl, girls. Balayoho, of two girls, among two girls. Balanam, of many girls, among many girls. Senayaha, senayoho, senanam. Senayaha, of an army, armies. Senayoho, of two armies, among two armies. Senanam, of many armies, among many armies. So let us move on to some sentences. Idam Rameshasya pustakam. Idam, this. Pustakam, book. Rameshasya. Sya says Shashti Vibhakti. Rameshasya, of Ramesh or Ramesh. This is Ramesh's book, or this book is of Ramesh. Veeraha deshasya rakshakaha bhavanti. Veeraha, soldiers. Bhavanti, or become. Rakshakaha, saviors, protectors. Deshasya, of the nation. Veeraha, the soldiers or saviors or the protectors of the nation. Kauravanam janakaha dhritarashtraha. Kauravanam, of Kauravas. Janakaha, father. Dhritarashtraha is the name. Dhritarashtra was the father of Kauravas. Kavinam sreshtaha Kalidasaha. Kalidasaha, the poet Kalidasa, Sreshtaha is the best. Kavinam, among the poets. Kalidasa was the best among the poets. Umayaha patihi Maheshwaraha. Maheshwaraha, that is Lord Shiva. Patihi, husband. Umayaha, of Uma. Uma's husband is Maheshwara. Balayaha nama Vani asti. Balayaha nama, girl's name, asti is Vani. Vani. Vani is the name of that girl. Nadinam Uttama Ganga Nadi asti. Ganga Nadi, the river Ganges, asti is Uttama, best, is the best. Nadinam, among the rivers. Ganga, river Ganga, is the best among rivers. Kausalyayaha putraha Ramaha. Ramaha, the name, Ram. Putraha, son. Kausalyayaha, of Kausalya. Rama was son of Kausalya. So we learned some sentences. Let us move on to our lesson. Before that, we humbly request you to subscribe our YouTube channel Kalidasa Kendram, and don't forget to click the notification. We move on to the lesson, the main lesson. Ekadashaha Pathaha, 11th lesson. Sambandha Karakam, possessive case. Shashti Vibhaktihi, 6th case. Katina Shabdarthaha, hard word meaning. Putraha, son. Bhrata, brother. Anujaha, younger brother. Jyeshtaha, elder brother. Haritaha, green. Shvetaha, white. Mama, my. Tava, your. Samipam, near. Agrataha or Purataha, in front. Parshvataha, besides. Antaha, inside. Ubhayataha, both the sides. Adhaha, down. Vamataha, left side. Dakshinataha, right side. Prishtataha, back side. Upari, above. So these words, Agrataha, Purataha, Samipam, Parshvataha, Antaha, Ubhayataha, Adhaha, Vamataha, Dakshinataha, Prishtataha, Upari. These words are used along with Shashti Vibhakti. It means whenever we have to use these words, the previous word should be in Shashti Vibhakti. Let us experience the lesson. Ramaha Dasharathasya putraha asti. Ramaha, Ram. Dasharathasya putraha, son of Dasharatha, or Dasharatha's son, asti, is. Rama is the son of Dasharatha. Lakshmanaha Ramasya bhrata asti. Lakshmana asti is Ramasya bhrata, brother of Ram, or Ram's brother. Lakshmana is the brother of Ram. Krishnaha Vasudevasya putraha asti. Krishna. Vasudevasya putraha, son of Vasudeva, or Vasudeva's son, asti, is. Krishna is the son of Vasudeva. Vibhishanaha Ravanasya anujaha asti. Vibhishana. Ravanasya anujaha asti. Younger brother of Ravana. Vibhishana is the younger brother of Ravana. Let us move on to the next slide. Karnasya Guruhu Parashuramaha. Karnasya Guruhu, Guru of Karna. Karna was a person. His Guru was Parashurama. Parashurama was his Guru. Arjunasya Janakaha Panduhu asti. Arjunasya Janakaha, father of Arjun. Panduhu asti. Pandu. Asti means is. Pandu is the father of Arjun. कालिदासस्य नाटकम् अभिज्ञानशाकुन्तलम्. कालिदासस्य नाटकं. Kalidasa's drama, that is written by Kalidasa. Abhignana-Shakuntalam is name of the book. Janakasya putri Sita asti. Janakasya putri, daughter of Janak. Putri means daughter. Daughter of King Janak. Sita asti. Sita is the daughter of King Janak. Niveditayaha guruhu Vivekananda. Guruhu means Acharya or teacher. Niveditayaha of Nivedita. Vivekananda. Vivekananda was the guru of Nivedita. Kausalyayaha patihi Dasharatha. Dasharatha patihi husband. Kausalyayaha of Kausalya. Subhadrayaha patihi Arjunaha patihi husband. Subhadrayaha of Subhadra. Arjun was the husband of Subhadra. Gautamaha, Ahalyayaha patihi Gautama Maharshi, patihi husband. Ahalyayaha of Ahalya. Sage Gautama was the husband of Ahalya. Ayodhyayaha Raja Rama is understood here or was is understood here. Raja, king. Ayodhyayaha of Ayodhya. Rama was the king of Ayodhya. Umayaha putraha Ganapatihi. Umayaha putraha, son of Uma. Ganapati was the son of Uma. Ganapati was the son of Uma. Kakasya varnaha Krishnaha, black. Here it is not Krishna. Krishna means black. Krishnaha varnaha, black in color. Kakasya varnaha, crow's color is black. Hamsasya varnaha shvetaha. Hamsasya, of the swan or swans. Swan's color is white. Shvetaha means white. Ghasasya varnaha haritaha. Ghasasya varnaha, ghasasya, of the grass. Varnaha, color. Haritaha, green. The color of the grass is green. Akashasya varnaha neelaha. Neelaha means blue or black. Varnaha, color. Akashasya, of the sky. The sky's color is blue. So here what we understand? Karnasya, Arjunasya, Kalidasasya, Janakasya. Niveditayaha, Kausalyayaha, Subhadrayaha, Ahalyayaha, Ayodhyayaha, Umayaha. These are all Shashti Vibhakti words. Again, Kakasya, Hamsasya, Ghasasya, Akashasya. These are all Shashti Vibhakti words. Let us move on to next slide. Vartalapaha, conversation. Sita and Suresh, both are conversing. Namaste, Suprabhatam. Namaste, Api Kushalam? Namaste means greetings to each other. Greetings. Suprabhatam, good morning. Namaste, greetings. Api Kushalam, are you fine? Sarvam Kushalam, everything fine. Mama nama Sita, my name is Sita. Tava nama Kim? Tava, your, nama, name, Kim, what? What is your name? Then Suresh is replying, Mama nama Sureshaha. My name is Suresh. Mama Ambayaha nama Srimati Kalyani. Mama, my, Ambayaha, mother's, nama, name, Srimati, Mrs. Kalyani, name is Kalyani. Tava Ambayaha nama Kim? Tava, your, Ambayaha, mother's, Nama, name, Kim, what? What is your mother's name? Now Sita replies, Mama Ambayaha Nama Srimati Kavita Asti. Mama, my, Ambayaha Nama, mother's name, Nama, name. Srimati Kavita, Srimati, Mrs. Kavita, name, Asti, is. Mama Janakasya Nama Shriman Ganapatihi. Mama, my, Janakasya Nama, father's name, Shriman, Mr. Ganapatihi, Ganapati. Tava Janakasya Nama Kim. What is your father's name? Tava, your. Janakasya, father's, Nama, name, Kim, what? What is your father's name? Sureshaha. Mama Janakasya Nama Sundaraha. Mama, my, Janakasya, father's, Nama, name, Sundaraha, Sundar. Mama Jeshtasya Nama Krishnaha. Mama, my, Jeshtasya, elder brother's, Nama, name, Krishnaha, Krishna. Jeshta, Kanishta. Jeshta means elder. Kanishta or Anuja means younger brother. Tava Jeshtasya Nama Kim. What is your elder brother's name? Now we move on to next page. Sita. Now Sita is replying. Mama Jeshtasya Nama Ishwaraha. Mama Jeshtasya Nama. Mama, my, Jeshtasya Nama. Elder brother's name, Ishwaraha, Ishwar. Mama Anujasya Nama Somanathaha. Mama, my, Anujasya Nama. Younger brother's name, Somanathaha, Somnath. Tava Anujasya Nama Kim. Tava, your. Anujasya, younger brother's, Nama, name, Kim, what? What is your younger brother's name? Sureshaha. Mama Anujasya Nama Sukumaraha. Mama, my, Anujasya Nama. Anujasya, younger brother's, Nama, name, Sukumaraha, Sukumar. My younger brother's name is Sukumar. Then Sita. Now concluding the conversation. Shobhanam, good. Shobhanam means good. Astu, punaha milamaha. Astu means okay. Punaha milamaha, we'll meet again. Punaha, again. Milamaha, meet. We will meet again. Now Suresha is replying. Astu, okay. Shobhanam, good. Punardarshanaya, we will meet again. Thank you. Dhanyavadaha, my dear learners. Kindly repeat this and practice this. This is very helpful to all of you. Dhanyavadaha. Let us meet in the next lesson. Thank you.